Okay, so this is week number 3 of moving from the UK to Dubai to attempt to build a 6-figure marketing agency. And let me just tell you, it isn't and it hasn't been as easy as I thought it was going to be. You see, back home in the UK, I built a 6-figure agency within the space of 6 to 7 months, just from word of mouth, getting to meet the owners, and my talent and skill set on a camera sold them the services. Here in Dubai, the land of opportunity, is not giving me much opportunity. I've filmed so many promotional videos so far for free, and I've only just got paid for one of my videos. That was, I shot it yesterday. I'll put it on the screen so you can have a look. I'm waiting for the invoice to be paid, but in 3 weeks, that's my first job. And to be honest with you, it's starting to scare me, because 7 years ago when I started my videography career and I started filming one-off videos, that is all I was doing, was waiting for the jobs to come in so I can be paid. The money was never consistent. And since I've had my marketing agency and realized a subscription-based model is how you get to that £10,000 month or £15,000 month, that's all I've known for the last couple of years, is making good money, like 10 to 15K. So when I've come out here and I'm now having to drop my ego massively, not only film videos for free, but film one-off videos for £300–400, in my head I'm thinking, shit, I have to make a load of videos to even get close to £10,000 a month. And that's if I get the video job in the first place. And then there's the opportunity of obviously building an agency out here. But the problem I have is Dubai companies hire agencies and talented videographers from different countries like Ukraine, Russia, Bangladesh, India, and the price they're paying is not a price that I can afford to charge. I just simply wouldn't be able to sustain my rent, let alone anything else. Don't get me wrong, there are companies that want English-speaking, high-end videographers like myself, but that work doesn't come around that easy. And then on top of that, over the last 3 weeks, I've kind of sat back and I've tried to think about other options apart from having a marketing agency or a digital content creation agency, because back home in the UK, I've done 10K, I've done 15K, and I hit £20,000 in a single month once. It wasn't consecutive, it was just once. And I'm thinking, how can I now go from that figure to 30, 40, 50, 60,000 pounds a month? Because it's possible. It is possible. When you've hit that, when you hit 10, 15K a month, you're always like, what's next? How can I get more? How can I get more? And once you hit it, you realize 20, 30,000 pounds a month is not impossible. And I've taken a step back and kind of thought, how can I take that jump from 15K, which I'm averagely at the moment in the UK, to 30K? And the answer isn't just solely through having a marketing agency. There has to be multiple streams of income. One could be YouTube, for example, teaching people how to start a marketing agency. The second one could be an online course or a seminar to teach people privately how to build a marketing agency and to go through the steps that I've gone to get where I am today. And then a marketing agency, and then maybe a software that I sell to businesses on a retainer. That sort of income stream will get me to the 30 to 40,000 pounds a month, but not just having a marketing agency running around doing videos. I mean, I'm 28 years old now. Am I 28 or am I 27? 27 or 28. I don't want to be filming videos when I'm 30. I don't want to be sitting in beach clubs filming girls when I'm 31, 32. I want to have a sustainable business that makes a shitload of money. And being out here in Dubai really sets that tone. You see young millionaires, not those that are renting a Urus for a day or renting a Lamborghini for a day. You genuinely see young millionaires that are my age. And I've done well. I've done really well for somebody my age. I've done it all on my own, and I'm only 27, 28 years old. I've genuinely forgot how old I am. Wow. Let's say I'm doing £15,000 a month at the moment, and you see a 28-year-old in a Lamborghini Aventador. That's his, he owns it, and he's making 100 grand a month. You have to think, why and how has he made that absurd amount of money? So yeah, that's just a 3-week update. I haven't given up. I'm not going to give up because I know the difference between me having an agency and not having an agency in Dubai is 8 clients. 8 clients pay me £1,250 a month, and all of a sudden, Dubai is my home. Welcome home, Joel. But I don't need that straight away. I'm happy to spend 6 months to build up to get 8 clients. I'm not expecting to come here and get 8 clients straight away, but in the whole of Dubai, with however many restaurants there are, however many cafes, however many real estate agents there are, however many beach clubs there are you telling me I can't get 8 people to say yes to signing up to my retainer, which covers everything from ads, content creation, website design, social media management, graphic design? It's stupid if your answer is no, but it's opened my eyes a little bit to think, hang on a minute, how can I now take this from a little agency doing £10,000 to £15,000 a month to me making some serious money? Because I want to make some serious money, and I feel like it's time to start thinking about other avenues, not just be laser focused on a marketing agency, which will be very hard to scale past £20,000 a month, because at the end of the day, it's just me filming with a camera.